Hey guys, welcome to Diecast YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you the latest Matchbox working rigs item. I bought this one in Australia from Myer store. Usually that's a department store specialized for clothes, but glad I found these ones. Myer usually sell Hot Wheels, Matchbox, Majorette, type of toys for kids, and gladly I found this one. This is about $8 in Australia, and this is the previous version of International Durastar. So this is the International Durastar 400 flatbed transporter, 4400. So well, let's open this one first and then compare. Then we'll compare these two. Right. All right. Talking about the card art, it's similar to the previous models card art. Just the difference is the vehicle body color, and you can see there are some moving parts in this vehicle, this model. So yeah, and it comes under Matchbox Service Series working rigs, and on the back side you can again see that how that moving part is working, how that moving part works. So yeah, nothing fabulous, but it's a cool card art. I like this one. And there you go. So this is the, so I'll show you the bottom first. The bottom is made out of plastic. It says International Durastar Flatbed RW006, and you see the front, yeah, detailed front lights, chrome grille, and the buffer. It says MBX transport and some blah 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 item. Nice, and you can see the tail lights as well, and similar this side. And if you check the moving parts, this is the flatbed item, and there's another moving part here. That's the towing item. So it's pretty much it. Yeah, so let's compare the previous model and this one first. So the previous one is a blue color, and now this one is a sort of crystal white color. There's a small shine as well. So mainly the color difference. This one is metallic blue, this one is metallic white, and then the other thing is these side parts. So this one's made out of plastic, and this one's made out of sort of metal parts, not the metal. It's just sort of fiber sort of thing. And the colors, flatbed is, this one is ash color, and this is blackish. This is black, and apart from that, nope, everything's similar. But there's a small difference between in here. In this part of the flatbed area, there's a small decal. In here, in the white one, newer version, there's no decals. But if you check the bottom, you can see that red and white stripe. In the previous version, there's no details like that, and this time it's a different decal, different deco. Talking about the front, everything is same again. This one is chrome, this one is plastic ash. Front light design is same, and the good thing is you can clearly see the inside of the white one, and this one is bit what do you call it, tinted look. All right, let's say like that. So it's almost similar. Yep, no difference at all. So this is a cool alternative if you didn't buy the TLV Nissan Atlas. This one is only $8. That Atlas is now about $100. So this is a way better alternative, but you know, the quality wise it's sky high. You know, there's a huge difference, but talking about the value of the money, Matchbox has done a great job out of this casting. And yeah, so if you are in Australia, you can buy these ones from Maya, David Jones. I haven't seen these ones in Kmart, maybe in Big W, Toy World, about $8 to $10. Sort of, I saw these ones from $8 to $9.99, $9.99. So yeah. All right, guys, thanks for watching. I will put update few photos of this one in my Instagram page. Go and visit my Instagram page, Diecast Piece, and even my YouTube channel, Diecast Piece. Please hit subscribe button and like this video if you like this one. So I'll see you guys.